Hello! Welcome to ConsultingControl's short introductory presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce ConsultingControl, highlight our enterprise software system, provide some pricing information, and introduce the concept of our service-oriented task force. There's contact information provided on the last slide of this presentation. ConsultingControl's complete enterprise system has been created especially for project-oriented firms. Our system is web-based and secure, and has been uniquely priced as a pay-per-use system, so that you only pay for those modules that you actually use. This means that there are no contracts and no upfront fees whatsoever. We have also uniquely created a task force that is dedicated to getting you operational with our system in just days. That task force then works with you for 6 months to ensure that you are able to get the most from our system. All of this is provided at no additional cost to you and with minimal time required from you to get the system operational. ConsultingControl is composed of industry experts that have been and continue to be focused on improving and adopting new business processes for organizations specific to project-oriented industries such as the architectural and engineering industries. We have been selling our software for over 10 years now and can happily report that we have over 6,000 daily users. We also have a 24/7 online web platform. As a complete enterprise management system, we offer every business system needed to smoothly and effectively run a professional consulting organization, from timesheets and billing, to project planning, to project management, to analytics and even CRM systems. Our software also supports all roles within an organization, from the architect or engineer or consultant to the project manager, all the way up to the principal. All major accounting systems easily integrate into our software, and of course, our system is easy to use, it's easy to access via the internet, and it's a very powerful suite of tools. We have priced our modules as pay-as-you-go, so you only ever pay for what you use. This means that ConsultingControl has no contracts, no subscriptions, and no upfront fees. There are no license agreement fees, no server hosting fees, and no consulting fees. Every month, we charge you for the specific services you used. You can see the unit prices on this chart. Timesheets cost $3 each, expense reports also cost only $3 each, and invoices cost $5 each. We have included 2 pricing examples. If you have, let's say, 20 employees and 100 projects a year and use only time and expense reports, you only pay $290 each month. As you grow, say to 50 employees with 250 projects each year and mature into additional modules, you pay about $1,000 a month. These fees are all you ever pay. When you are just getting started, you don't pay anything else, just the $290 per month. When you want to stop using the service, you stop paying for it. As you grow, we grow with you, and subsequently you pay more, and as you shrink, we shrink with you, and you pay subsequently less. We have created a task force to work with our new clients, to get them up and running with their new systems within days. The task force is responsible for managing the entire rollout of your new system, from configuration to deployment. The task force services are offered to you at no additional cost. We will get you operational within days. Why or how do we do this? We have simply incentivized ourselves to get you operational immediately. More simply put, we get paid when you use our system. Our task force will migrate your data to your new system and will run workshops to define plans, structures, processes, and metrics. We will need to understand how you currently manage the administrative tasks within your organization and how you'd like to manage them going forward. Our industry experts will be sure to bring with them best practices from industry so that we can find the optimal definitions and optimal solutions for your specific firm. We will make sure that your organization has the right training at the right times. This means that we don't provide all the training one time. Instead, we provide the training as the process is being defined and redefined, so that you are successful when you go live. Of course, when you do go live, we will be right there with you. And we will continue to be right there with you for up to 6 months from the time you sign up with us. Our task force, which is made up of industry experts, will stay with you continually monitoring, analyzing, and enhancing your business processes. We will make sure that your organization continues to use our system so that you truly get the most out of it and have the deepest insight into your company as possible. We will report our findings and recommendations to you each month in an auditing meeting. We do all of this so that you don't have to. After 6 months, you will have had the chance to really understand your business and create processes that are sustainable so that you can be the best and most competitive organization that you possibly can be. And again, these services are at no cost to you. You only pay for what you use. ConsultingControl's system is incredibly valuable to our clients. We have made the strategic decision to focus our business on your long-term success. This is best for you, of course, and so it's also best for us. We are one of the most powerful, complete, and flexible industry-specific enterprise systems on the market today. Our task force will get you up and running as soon as possible and with minimal time required by you. We make sure of this by working closely with your organization and by making sure that we are doing as much of the heavy lifting as possible. After all, we know that your time is better spent in doing your work and growing your company, not on managing administrative tasks. Our task force will also keep your organization using our system and make sure that you are actually benefiting from that insight and control. And we'll discuss this with you through our monthly auditing meetings. And finally, we are priced to be as flexible as possible for your specific growth needs. All of this will allow your organization to make the leap from being a good organization to being a great one by gaining the competitive advantages of the best firms out there, the ones that can focus on their work, on their creativity, and on their workforce, by not having to focus on the administrative tasks that typically bog a company down. ConsultingControl will free you of these administrative tasks and will allow you to be great. We should also add that we offer a 30-day free trial to all new clients. We want you to feel comfortable trying out our software with no risks. If you have any questions or would like a personal demonstration of our software, please feel free to contact us on the information on your screen now. Thank you very much for your time.